This is the Realme 3 Pro. Inside the box you will get the phone, a silicone case for protection, a micro USB data cable, a 20-watt VOOC charger, some paperwork and the SIM ejector tool. So here is the phone. It is looking absolutely stunning. Just look at the phone's back. The design is gorgeous. The blue color and the S-curve design is really good. As you can see under light, the color changes from light blue to blue and it looks dope when you are using the phone under bright light. On the back you will get the camera module. As you can see, it is a dual camera setup with a flash on the bottom. Around the camera module you will get this awesome looking metallic ring, and also here is the fingerprint scanner. Around the fingerprint scanner you will also get circular metallic ring which looks absolutely amazing. Going left you will get the volume up and the volume down buttons, and on the right you will get the power on and off button. On the bottom you will get the 3.5mm headphone jack, the audio input and the micro USB port. Going right you will get the main speaker. On the front you will get the 25 megapixel front camera, and above it you will get the front speaker. The bezels are really thin, and also is the chin. The chin is really thin and it is thinner than the Zenfone Max Pro M2. The entire design of the phone is stunning, gorgeous, whatever you say. It is amazing. The body is plastic. The build quality is superb. It is a hard plastic and the blue color looks dope. You should use the silicone case to protect the phone's back from scratches and smudges. The weight of the phone is just 172 grams. The phone feels light in weight and it is very easy to operate with one hand. If you use the silicone case, then you may feel the phone a bit heavier and the corners will get covered. I didn't like the silicone case because it is not perfect. Other colors available are carbon grey, nitro blue and lightning purple. The 6.3-inch display with the dewdrop notch is absolutely stunning. It is a full HD plus IPS display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, and yeah, it's a beautiful display in this price range. The display has the Gorilla Glass 5 protection which will resist the scratches and screen cracks. Realme 3 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor with Adreno 616 GPU and runs on the new ColorOS 6.0 which is based on Android 9. You will get the Android Pie out of the box, so you don't have to upgrade from the audio. You will get the phone with the Android Pie. This model in my hand has 64GB internal memory with 4GB RAM. Other versions are also available like 64GB internal memory with 6GB of RAM and also 128GB internal memory with 6GB RAM. The icons are a little cartoonish but definitely better than the ColorOS 5's icon, because many of the ColorOS users didn't like the icons or even the ColorOS 5 or 4, whatever it is. The thing I liked about the UI is that you can uninstall most of the bloatware like Facebook or UC browser. I have seen in some devices you cannot uninstall Facebook and Facebook Messenger, you can only disable it. But here on the Realme 3 Pro, you can completely uninstall any pre-installed app from your device. The quick settings buttons are white in color and the icons are well designed. The quick settings and the notification panel is not cluttered with shortcut icons and notifications. It is very simple and I really loved all the little icons that you will get in the navigation area and the quick settings panel. Coming to the settings are very easy to navigate. There are colorful icons in the settings and the design is very similar to other skins like the Zen UI and the MIUI. You can customize the notch, run games like PUBG and Critical Ops in full screen, and you can also customize the navigation keys. You can move the back button left and right and also hide them. You will also get gestures to control your device, and pretty much they're awesome. The face unlock and the fingerprint scanner is fast as hell. It is very quick and they will unlock your phone in a blink of your eye. Coming to the cameras, the rear camera has 16 megapixel f1.7 primary sensor and a 5 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor for portrait shots. The photo quality is good. It is not a full review, so I can't say that the photo quality is best or worst. I will just show you the photos and let you decide. The camera app has all the main features and the settings. I always wanted to test out the 960fps slow motion feature. Yes, the Realme 3 Pro has 960fps slow motion feature and damn, it is awesome. You can shoot 1080p videos as well as 4K videos with the Realme 3 Pro. The autofocus is mind blowing. Here's a video that I shot using the Realme 3 Pro in 1080p Full HD resolution, and let me know in the comment section how is the video quality. Going front, the single front camera has 25 megapixel f2.0 sensor. I mean 25 megapixel, cool right? You won't get a flash on the front camera, so you can expect grainy photos when you are taking selfies in low light. The phone supports Wi-Fi, GPS and Bluetooth version 5. You can also connect pen drive and card reader via a OTG cable, and yeah, it supports USB OTG. Both the SIM slots supports 3G, 4G and VoLTE, so connectivity no issue. The charging port is a micro USB port. Again, like Asus and Samsung, Realme didn't provide a USB Type-C port. Now I know some people like the USB Type-C, but according to me it won't be a problem, because to compensate this, Realme has provided the VOOC 20 volt fast charger, so charging won't be an issue. I have tested and the charging speed is really fast. It took around 1 hour to charge from 17 to 100%. There is no notification LED light, which is also a bummer. I mean, I'm used to the notification LED light. I usually stop charging the phone whenever it is green. And in case of Realme, there is no LED light, so I had to turn on the screen every time to check whether the phone is full charged or not. So yeah, it is really a bummer. Coming to the sensors, the Realme 3 Pro has face unlock, fingerprint sensor, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. So in one word, you will get all the sensors with this device. So I hope you have an idea how is the device. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do smash the like button and also subscribe to BroSmart for more interesting videos just like this one. And don't forget to subscribe because the review video is coming soon. So as always, thank you so much for watching. This is BroSmart and I will see you guys in my next video.